welcome to Backyard Growing SA, and today's video is from sowing to germination, broad beans. Let's get into it. So what we're going to do with the broad beans is we're going to put it in water, in lukewarm water, for about 24 hours before we get it planted. So let's get that done. Okay, so the bush beans has been soaking for 24 hours. Let's just throw this water out and check how they look before we plant them. As you can see, the skin is basically coming off this one and this one over here. Not yet this one, so this one I think I should put in the paper towel, and these two I'll plant in the soil. Let's get to it. Let's get water in. So let's get him into his Ziploc bag. This is day 3. Let's check. Okay, so nothing in the soil yet. Let's check the Ziploc bag. So nothing yet in the Ziploc bag either. This is day 4. Nothing yet in the soil. Let's check how the Ziploc bag is doing. Okay, so the broad bean, there's nothing, no roots, nothing yet, but it is cracked open, so we shall see. Day 6, still nothing yet. Let's check the Ziploc bag. Okay, so he is busy growing some roots. Let me just take this peels, the skin off to help it. Day 7, nothing yet has germinated, but I want to check if it maybe like started to root or maybe something like that. So let's check first the paper towel and then we can check in here. You can see the paper towel has germinated after 7 days, so I want to check if the ones in the soil is similar to this. Okay, this one is done for. You can see. Oh, the seed is finished. I'm going to check the next one. I think it's because my soil was maybe too moist. It actually should not be a problem. But let's check the other one. Okay, so not the soil that is too moist, because this one is still hard and fine, but nothing yet. So I'll wait and see how long this one takes. But I suggest you do it into paper towel because it's going to be much better. So it will take about 7 days. So, but it's actually more like 9 days, because the day you have to first soak it in water for about 24 hours, 48 hours depending, and then the day you sow it, I don't count that day, I count the day after sowing. So yeah, it's about 9 days, 8 days to germinate in paper towel. I don't suggest you putting it in soil at the moment before germinating it. I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like down below. If you enjoy the series, I will be making more. Just comment which seeds you like to see next. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.